Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yeah, we are studying lesson number 3 of unit 4, good habits. Which all are good habits now? Come on, tell me good habits. Getting up early in the morning is a good habit. Yes. Correct. Brushing your teeth is a good habit. Yes. More keeping yourself neat and clean and tidy, is it good habit? Yes. Cutting your nails regularly, it is a good habit. Yes. Not throwing rubbish in the dustbin, is it a good habit? No, it is bad habit. So there are some good habits and bad habits which we are going to study today. Here first one is don't harm animals. Now not harming animals, आपण प्राण्यांना त्रास द्यायचा नसतो. Then it is good habit or bad habit? It is a good habit. When it is good habit, that time we are going to put right tick mark. What we are going to put? Right tick mark. Okay. Don't harm animals. Is it good habit or bad habit? It is good habit. So put tick mark. Second one, be clean, neat and tidy. We should wear nice clothes. We should keep ourselves clean. We should not make our body dirty, our hands dirty, which gives bad impression or which puts bad impression on others. So be clean, neat and tidy. It is what? It is a good habit. What it is? Good habit. Don't spit anywhere. It is a suggestion given to everyone. I don't spit anywhere. Do you spit anywhere? Means कुठे पण थुंकायचं नसतं. Okay, you go and when you do this, that is what? That is spitting. Okay, thunkne. You should not spit in public places, or you should not spit. Now it is told, as we are suffering from virus. You know, many people are suffering from virus COVID-19. People are telling, doctors are telling, some experts are telling that don't spit here and there. Then also some people are listening or what? No, they don't listen. If I have a COVID-19 or if I have a coronavirus, and if I will spit somewhere, what will happen? Germs which are there in my mouth, they will be thrown out from me. Correct or not? If I will throw those germs outside, what will happen? It will affect that area. If anyone will go from that area, what will happen? Naturally, that virus will affect that person. Okay, so we should not spit anywhere. Next one is help each other. We should help each other. Our tendency should be of helping each other. दुसऱ्यांना मदत केली पाहिजे आपण. Okay, we should help each others. If someone is in need, we should help another person. If you need help, you should ask another. So the another person should also help you. That is also very much important. Or if you are helping everyone and no one is helping you, that time what happens? You become sad, right? So help each other. Don't waste water. Whatever water is required for you to brush your teeth, for your bathing, then for washing your hands, washing your face, washing your utensils, that much only water you should waste. Because in summer season, when there is shortage of water, correct? In summer season, what happens? We don't get water to drink properly. That time we come to know the importance of water. How water is very much important. At that time we come to know. So don't waste water. Next one is put rubbish in the dustbin. If you have any garbage at your house, काही पण कचरा असला तर तो कशामध्ये टाकला पाहिजे? आपण डस्टबिन मध्येच टाकला पाहिजे. So put rubbish in the dustbin. Next one is don't waste food. If you want to eat one chapati and little bit curry, or you can say bhaji, what you should do, whatever vegetable you need, that much only vegetable you should take. Otherwise, there are many people, what they do, they take 4-5 chapatis, they will take vegetable and they eat only one chapati and 3 chapatis they are throwing. But keep in mind, in our country, India, there are many people, those who don't get food to eat 2 times. They are this much poor, they are too much poor that they don't get food to eat. They have to beg for food. After begging only they get food. And then when we get food to eat, that time what we should do? We should not waste it. What do you think? No, let it be. Food grains we are getting in our farm, vegetables also we get in farm. Then why to take tension? Let me waste food? No, that is not a good habit. It is a bad habit. Okay. Next one is eat healthy and fresh food. which food is healthy? Chicken is healthy, fish is healthy, eggs are healthy, leafy vegetables are healthy, then more sprouted vegetables are healthy. Okay, like moong, dals, they are very much healthy for you. You should eat that. Okay. Now your one question is given. Question number 2. Put a right for good habits. Put a right for good habits and wrong for bad habits. First one, Priya wasted food. It is good habit or what? No, it is bad habit. So put wrong, first one. Rohan closes the tap while brushing. It is a good habit. So put correct tick mark here, right. Minnie brings chips every day in her tiffin. Now eating chips is good habit or what? No, we should eat what? We should eat chapati and vegetable every day. So Minnie brings chips every day in her tiffin. So it is bad habit. So put cross. Aman kicks his pet dog. Now kicking pet animal is good habit or what? No, we should not harm animals. First point is given. We should not harm animals. So it is a bad habit. So put cross to it. Sohan takes care of his cat. It is a good habit. Sohan takes care of cat. So which type of habit it is? It is a good habit. Now next one is jump in and jump out. There is a game. Children have to stand in a circle. They have to stand in a circle and they have to jump in if the teacher says good habit and jump out if the teacher says bad habit. Okay. Now it is not possible for us, but then I will tell you. You have to make circle. You have to catch hands of each others. Can you see here? They are catching their hands. When teacher says that good habits, at that time what you have to do? You have to jump in. And if teacher says bad habit, that time you have to jump out. Understood? It is a game. Exercising every day, waking up early in the morning, eating junk food, teasing others, going to school every day, eating vegetables and fruits, biting nails, watering plants, keeping our room, house, classroom clean, always playing games on mobile, playing outdoor games, helping mother in the work, helping your friends, washing your hands, finishing your tiffin, using your handkerchief, picking your nose, etc. Now what are these? Some are good habit. Exercising every day is a good habit. Waking up early in the morning is a good habit. Eating junk food is what? Bad habit. Going to school every day, it is a good habit. Eating vegetables and fruits, good habit. Biting nails, bad habit. Watering plants, good habit. Keeping our room, classroom or house clean, good habit. Always playing games on mobile, bad habit. Playing outdoor games, going on the ground and playing games, good habit. Okay, good habit. Helping mother in her work, good habit. Helping your friends, good habit. Washing your hands daily, good habit. Finishing your tiffin, good habit. Using your handkerchief, good habit. Picking your nose, bad habit. In this way, some good habits and some bad habits are given over here. You can read those good habits and bad habits. Next question which is given here is fourth one. Read and write the habits given below in your notebook. You have to write down all these good and bad habits in your notebook. This is your homework for today. What is your homework? You have to write down all these habits in the notebook. Don't speak, bath daily, save trees, save water, eat healthy food, brush your teeth, comb your hair, play outdoor games, help your friends, eat green leafy vegetables. How many are there? 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 10. Total 10 are there. You have to write down these 10 good habits in your English notebook as today's homework. Okay, please complete your homework in time and send it on WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.